Picked up this load in Georgia. I'm gonna take it to California. It's 78,000 pounds. First time tarping it, and I had to extend my trailer another 4 feet. So permits cost a little over $1,800. My fuel is gonna be a little over $3,200. I'm getting about 4 miles to a gallon. I fill up about 200 gallons at a time. And with my deadhead, it was 3,100 miles. So what do you think the rate is? What do you think the rate is, Diesel? Huh, buddy? Come on. Come on, Diesel. Tell me the rate. Come on, come on. Good job.